Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on and off background music in Delta Force. If you want to enjoy Delta Force game with or without background music, this tutorial will show you exactly how. So let's get started. First of all, open up Delta Force application on your device and log in with your account if necessary, and from the main menu tap on Settings at the top right corner. Under the Settings menu, look for Graphics and Sound from the left-hand side menu and tap on it. Now click on Sound at the top under Graphics and Sound, and then you will see a Master Volume, Other Audio options. In order to completely turn off the volume from the game, go ahead and reduce the Master Volume slider. Drag the Master Volume slider towards the left and make sure that it is 0. After you mute it, you will not be able to hear any sounds in the game, which includes other audio and voice chat as well. So that's how you can easily mute your volume on Delta Force. You can also go ahead and mute other audios respectively by sliding the little slider towards the left. If you want to turn on the music again, you can go to the top and slide the master volume to your required volume. Slide it towards the right in order to turn on the sound effect and music. You can also turn on and off other options such as voice chat, headset volume, mic volume, music volume, sound effect volumes, etc. from the menu given. So that's how you can easily control your music or sound on your Delta Force game in just a few simple steps. You can now enjoy the game either with immersive soundtracks or in complete silence. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.